Hey everyone, if you're seeing the message, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam, don't worry, I'm here to help. In today's video, we're gonna go through some easy fixes to get you back on WhatsApp on Android. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Clear cache and reinstall WhatsApp. Sometimes a fresh start can fix things. First, make sure to back up your chats. To do this, go to WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the three-dot icon on the top right corner, select Settings, go to Chats, tap on Chat Backup. Hit the Backup button. Wait for some moment to back up the chats. Once this is done, then now open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down, tap on Apps, find WhatsApp, tap on Storage, press on Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Reopen the app and check if you can now use your account. Solution 2. Request a review from WhatsApp. You can ask WhatsApp to review your account if you think this was an error. Open a browser, type WhatsApp Help Center and hit Enter. Tap on the first link, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Us. Under Contact WhatsApp Messenger Support menu, tap on Contact Us. Here, enter the phone number first with proper country code. Type email address, then confirm your email address. After that, select Android. Enter the issue in the text box such as, "My WhatsApp account is not allowed to use for spam number, which is a mistake on your end. Kindly review the decision and allow me to activate the account using my number. My number is +880 1630 157780. Make sure to include your phone number in the international format. Tap on Next Step. Hit the Send Message button. WhatsApp will reach out to you with a solution within 72 hours through email. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you resolve the issue and get you back on WhatsApp in no time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.